BEVISGEAR Top Shelf Camera Bag. Quick access sling backpack for photographers. Ever felt frustrated digging endlessly through your camera bag? Missing the perfect shot? Struggling with bulky backpacks or awkward shoulder bags can slow you down. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar, because the BEVISGEAR Top Shelf Camera Bag Sling Backpack makes gear instantly accessible with a quick access push-button system and convertible sling/backpack design, keeping your DSLR, lenses, and tripod ready at all times. Rushing between shoots, deadlines, or travel can leave your photography workflow chaotic and stressful. Imagine swinging your bag around, instantly grabbing the camera, and adjusting lenses on a stable tabletop platform, all without setting gear on the ground. The BEVISGEAR Top Shelf Bag promises a smoother, faster, and safer workflow, saving you precious seconds and giving you peace of mind on every shoot. Meet the BEVISGEAR Top Shelf Camera Bag Sling Backpack, a versatile solution for photographers and videographers who demand speed and protection. Its open layout with push-button access lets you retrieve your camera in seconds, while the top compartment doubles as a stable platform for lens swaps, battery changes, or SD card replacements. Customizable dividers keep your DSLR, mirrorless, or SLR cameras and lenses secure, while a hidden tripod holder ensures your support gear stays in place. One user shared how they captured a fleeting street scene in under 10 seconds, thanks to the quick access design, no bag digging required. With water-resistant construction, thick padded walls, and a reinforced bottom, your gear is protected from bumps, rain, and rough surfaces. The convertible sling or backpack design distributes weight evenly, making long hikes or city shoots effortless. Bonus tip: laptops up to 15 inches fit perfectly in the dedicated sleeve, allowing you to tether and edit on the go, combining portability, protection, and efficiency in one innovative bag. The BEVISGEAR Top Shelf Camera Bag isn't just versatile, it's a workflow game-changer. Experts praise its combination of speed, protection, and organization. The top shelf layout is intuitive and highly customizable. Quick access and a stable platform make it perfect for on-location shoots, said a photography gear reviewer. Influencers love the comfort and practicality. The padded strap and backpack mode handle a full mirrorless kit with ease, while the tripod holder stays secure without shifting. Users are equally impressed. I can swing the bag around, unzip, and have my camera in hand in under 10 seconds. The dividers keep my lenses and accessories perfectly organized. Multiple pockets store chargers, cables, and memory cards, while water-resistant fabric protects against sudden downpours. Whether you're on a street photography walk, travel shoot, or event assignment, this bag keeps everything in reach. Which feature would save your day? Push-button access, tabletop platform, convertible sling, or backpack style? Comment below. Thousands of photographers trust BEVISGEAR for fast access, safe storage, and ergonomic design, making the top shelf sling backpack a must-have for anyone serious about photography. Limited stock. Upgrade your photography workflow with the BEVISGEAR Top Shelf Camera Bag Sling Backpack today. Enjoy quick access push-button design, convertible sling or backpack comfort, stable top platform, customizable interior, hidden tripod holder, and water-resistant protection. Join photographers who've transformed their shoots with this versatile bag, capturing moments faster and safer than ever. Don't wait. Click now to secure your top shelf bag and unlock the convenience of instant gear access, organized storage, and professional-grade protection wherever your photography adventures take you.